सब्सक्राइब कीजिए AHN न्यूज़ एंड एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल पर और जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ।
रिलायंस जियो का बड़ा ऐलान, आइंदा साल 5G खिदमात शुरू करने का किया बड़ा ऐलान। रिलायंस जियो अगले साल के नस्फ तक 5G खिदमात शुरू करने का इरादा रखती है। रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी ने ये ऐलान आज इंडिया मोबाइल कांग्रेस से खिताब करते हुए कहा। अंबानी ने कहा कि 5G खिदमात जल्द अज जल्द और कम कीमत पर हर जगह दस्तयाब करने के लिए पॉलिसी फ़ैसलों की ज़रूरत है। मैं यकीन से कह सकता हूं कि जियो रिलायंस साल 2021 के दूसरे नस्फ तक हिंदुस्तान में 5G इनकलाब की क़ियादत कर सकेगा। इसका नेटवर्क, हार्डवेयर, टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह सब घरेलू तौर पर तैयार हैं। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, AHN न्यूज़।
Of adversities. The outbreak of COVID-19 posed life-threatening challenges, but our high-speed 4G connectivity infrastructure has proved to be India's digital lifeline. Throughout 2020, India worked online, studied online, shopped online, received healthcare online, socialized online, played online. Simply put, India thrived online. This underscores the phenomenal evolution of digital technology in India. From being a means of limited engagement and entertainment, it has evolved into a platform of unlimited enablement and empowerment. Despite the lockdown, the entire industry, consisting of thousands of engineers and employees, worked round the clock to provide critical support 24/7 to all sections of the society and business. The government supported the industry to go the extra mile in keeping these critical services going during this period. They deserve our appreciation and gratitude. Honorable Prime Minister, with great admiration and enthusiasm, the nation has welcomed your announcement about the early availability of an affordable COVID vaccine. The pandemic will surely be behind us soon in 2021. Under your leadership, India will welcome the new decade with supreme confidence. The Indian economy will not only bounce back, but will also grow with unprecedented acceleration. India can and India will prove cynics wrong by becoming a $5 trillion economy. It will be a more equal India with increased incomes, increased employment, and improved quality of life for 1 billion Indians at the middle and the bottom of the economic pyramid. India has the historic opportunity to become the world's preeminent digital society with ease of living for all. My conviction comes from the enormous transformative power of digital technologies. Permit me, therefore, to present briefly 4 ideas for your consideration. 1. As many as 300 million mobile subscribers in India are still trapped in the 2G era. Urgent policy steps are needed to ensure that these underprivileged people have an affordable smartphone so that they too can benefit from direct benefit transfer into their bank accounts and actively participate in the digital economy. 2. India is today among the best digitally connected nations in the world. In order to maintain this lead, policy steps are needed to accelerate early rollout of 5G and to make it affordable and available everywhere. I assure you that Jio will pioneer the 5G revolution in India in the second half of 2021. It will be powered by indigenous developed network, hardware, and technology components. Jio's 5G service will be a testimony to your inspiring vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. 3. I can say with utmost confidence that 5G will enable India to not only participate in the fourth industrial revolution, but also to lead it. Geo Platforms, with its family of over 20 startup partners, has built world-class capabilities in artificial intelligence, cloud computing.
हमारे HN न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस आते रहे वक्त पर।